we have a Barcelona accordion. It has 30 keys in the treble with 48 bass buttons. There are 2 reeds in the treble, so it does have Musette tuning. There are no switches on the treble side. It's a pure Musette accordion. It sounds like this. On the bass side, we have major, we have our bass row, and then major, minor, 7th. So this would make a very nice beginner accordion. It's much better than starting out on a 12 bass because you can actually learn your minors and your 7ths. So this would be a perfect little starter accordion for somebody, or if somebody just wants a smaller accordion. It has some cute little jewels on here. It has a nice design in the bellows. It's a cute little accordion. I'll play you something so you can hear it.